This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Used to Love Her on guitar. This classic Guns N' Roses song is surprisingly straightforward, making it perfect for beginners. We'll focus on just 3 essential open chords and a simple strumming pattern. By the end, you'll be able to play the core of this tune with confidence. Let's get started and make some music. The verse and chorus sections primarily use a repeating 4-chord progression. You'll play a D major chord, followed by an A major, then a G major, and finally back to an A major. For each chord, aim for a consistent strumming pattern like down, down, up, up, down, up. Practice transitioning between these 3 chords smoothly to keep the rhythm flowing. For the bridge section, the chord progression shifts slightly. You'll play a G major chord, followed by an A major, and repeat this sequence a few times. This provides a nice contrast before returning to the main theme. The song concludes with a G major, then an A major, and finally resolves on a D major chord. Let that last D ring out for a strong finish. To truly master Used to Love Her, consistent practice is key. Start by playing the chords and strumming pattern very slowly, ensuring each note is clear. Gradually increase your speed as your fingers become more accustomed to the changes. Using a metronome will help you maintain a steady tempo. Also, listen closely to the original song to capture its feel and dynamics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.